front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add at the bottom and tap on a contact you wish to add. After each one, you need to decide if you wish to notify this contact that it became your emergency one by hitting Cancel or OK. Now do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. And in case you wish to delete any of them or edit your list, click on this icon at the top right corner and select this X next to the one you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!